Hello people, welcome back to my channel. On this tutorial is going to be centered on how to make a simple beaded fringe earring, and I have named it the pretty face earring. Now this is going to be a really simple tutorial, and so please stick and stay with me and let's get started. Yes, so I'm going to list the materials in the description box. So let's just get into it. So from the beginning, I pick 4 beads, 4 beads, 4 curry color beads. Okay, please watch carefully. Okay, and then I go through the first 2 beads like so. Then I pull my thread out, and this is how. Okay, then I go through the second 2 beads from here. It's really simple. There's no complicated style. Yeah, this is very simple, please. Okay, and then I pick another 2. I think I'm making one mistake. 1 minute. Yeah, sorry, I didn't teach you how I added this, but it's the same, you know. It's not really difficult. It's the same procedure. These are brick stitch method, okay, of making the beaded fringe earring. So I'm going to increase. I pick another 2, then I go through the first thread here. You know what? This is not it. I mean, when you start with 2 and you want to increase, it should be 4. So please, you may make this mistake. Okay, so this is not the right thing to do. So I'm going to make it 4. Okay. Now I'll put the thread through the needle and get back to you. Yeah, so you're going to pick 4 beads. But if you were to start with 2 beads, then you pick 2 beads to increase. But since it's 4 I started, I'm going to pick 4 to increase. So this is what I mean. Okay, now yeah, so they are going to sit like this. See, they are going to sit like this. So you go through the first 2 beads, like this, and then you hold from this side and pull. Okay, so as you pull, they sit together very nicely. You go through the second 2, and you make sure whilst you are doing this, you go through the thread here. Okay, you pull through, and then you go through again. Don't worry about this. When you pull them together, they would sit very nicely. So, but just make sure you hold it firmly. All right. Okay, now when you want to go through it, just make sure you don't go through the thread here. Okay, you just like so, like this. And you pull. So this is what I mean. So after pulling, you see, they have really come together. And then you take another two, then you go through this, you pull, okay, and then the last one, I always decide to turn it to the other side because it's really comfortable on my hands. So take another two bead, and then you go through from here, this side, yeah, and then you pull like so. So this is the increase I'm talking about. And so as you do this, you'd realize that it will form, it's going to be like a triangle shape. I didn't put it right. I did not put it. There's a problem here. I should have put it through this side, not here. Yeah, so the increase continues. So the first, now the reason why you would say it's an increase is that you would realize the first instance, the first is 3, the first 3 ladder stitch is 3, so 1 2 3, the second is 1 2 3 4, and so we keep on increase until we get to the 5th ladder, and then we add other beads to it to create the pretty face. Okay, so let's do this once again. You pick 4 beads, okay, then we put it through the first one here, and they sit together so nicely. Put it through the first one, we pull out, and then the second bead, second 2, pull it out, and then it goes back again. They have to go back together, not, yeah, so I'll be able to do it. Yep. Okay, and then it continues. Then I add another 2 beads to the last end to make another increase. Okay, then I push it through. Okay, so you see, I mean, as you can see, it's changing. It's going to be very nice. We have not finished, so this is the first, second, and this is the 3rd ladder. Okay, so I'm going to get to the 5th ladder and then get back to you. Yeah, so instead of the 5th ladder, I added extra, I think this is the 5th ladder, 1 2, added 3 more ladders. I have started with a pretty face pattern. Okay, so I'm going to continue. I'm doing this because of time factor. Yeah, this time long videos people do not really have time to sit and watch long videos, and it's a fact. So I try as much as possible to make it shorter and more interesting so that you can have time to watch and also learn something whilst you're having some fun, you know. And then I add. Then I go back to my curry color. And I add the last curry bead to it. So it's just the same thing, but the only difference is that I'm adding a pattern to it. And so that's it. You can also have all color without any pattern, also stand out nice as well. Yeah, so this is it. We will continue. Yes, welcome back. Yeah, so I'm adding more ladders off camera because of timing, because on camera I really have to have patience and then do all of this. But this is a really simple pattern that I feel like, okay, so I can do this off camera, you know. So this is the eyebrow, okay, and now I'll start with a fringe, which is going to complete the face, the pretty face actually. So I have strung some of my beads here, then we'll continue. Those of you who do not know how to fringe, yeah, so we have one red, okay, that's attached to the main brick stitch, and then 28 of the curry beads. So what you do right now is that you have to just pull one bead down, and then you push through this, the rest of the beads, so you get to the top. It's very simple, very, very simple. I really need to put this down actually. And this way is easier. Yeah. Maybe the second one, like that. Then you pull. That's it. It's very simple. Then you get through this. Yeah. So I'll get back to you in the middle. Yeah. So I'm in the middle now, and I think it is getting prettier. So this is the nose, okay, and then a little bit of makeup here maybe, and this is the the eyebrow, and then little by little, whilst I add the rest of the fringe, we create the eye, okay. And so I think this is the lips, yes. So I keep going and going and going until pardon me if I'm not able to do this step by step because of time factor. I'll say this again. Yes, it might look simple, but it takes a little or more time depending on how fast you are. I'm not really fast, so please pardon me for this situation. Then pull it out. Yeah, and go through this side again. Next one. I have made a tutorial on how to add. You can see the thread is more longer. I have made a tutorial on how to add a thread in case you are short of thread, okay. So please watch out on that. It's a really short tutorial on how to add thread in case you are on a project and you are short of thread, how to add is a very simple thing to do. So please watch out for that tutorial. Thank you very much. So I'll see you in the end. Okay, this is a really simple thing, and so I mean, this is all there is to it. You can change the colors if you want. You can, these are 15 O beads. You can use 11 O's. You can also use 10 O's. You know, they are very nice beads. The bigger ones, I don't know, like say 8 O's, 6 O's. I don't know if, but I think you can. But maybe you can use those as a pendant, a necklace pendant, because they become really heavy. Yes, those are quite bigger beads. Yeah, so thank you very much for your time, and I'll get back to you in the end. Now, who will tell me this is not a pretty face? It's done. Yeah, I'm done, and now I just have to add the hook to it. So this is how to do it. Just pick 2 beads. Okay, then you pick the hook and another 2 beads. Okay, then you just push it through this part. And that's it. Just have to go through them 2-3 times, and then you are done. You can have your earring. Okay, pretty face fringe earring. I love it. I love it. It's just so nice. You can use different kinds of beads if you want. Yeah. So finally, guys, I'm done with my beaded fringe earring, which I call it the pretty face earring, and really it's so pretty. And really, I doubted these beads. I thought they were going to be too, I don't know what, like they were not going to be pretty like I imagined. But seriously, it's so nice. It's so nice. You can try this using different kind of beads, and please get back to me on the comment section. If there's anything you didn't understand, let me know. And once again, I could not make a really detailed tutorial because of the timing. Okay, so it's really simple. You can even do this without any pattern. If you really want to learn how, you can just pick 2 beads from the beginning, 4 beads, and then you increase and increase. And then there's a time where I'll be showing you how to decrease as well. This is just an increase and adding fringe to it. Yeah, thank you very much, and see you in my next channel, my next video. Sorry, have a nice time. Bye.